If your Greenworks pressure washer isn't pulling soap, the issue is usually simple and fixable with a quick checklist. Start with the detergent. Only use pressure washer approved soap, properly diluted. Thick or household cleaners can clog the injector system and block suction. Next, check your nozzle. Soap will only dispense when using the black low pressure nozzle, typically a 6.5 degree tip. High pressure tips won't create the suction needed to draw detergent. Clogs are the most common culprit. Remove the soap nozzle and soak it in a 50/50 vinegar and water solution for about an hour. Use a small pin or paper clip to clear debris. Then, inspect the soap tube for cracks, kinks, or blockages. Make sure it's fully submerged in detergent. Check the water inlet filter as well. If it's dirty, rinse it under warm water to restore proper flow. Low incoming water pressure below about 60 pounds per square inches can also prevent soap from dispensing. Ensure your hose isn't kinked and that all connections are tight. If the issue continues, the soap injector ball valve may be stuck. Carefully clean it and apply a small amount of lubricant before reassembly. After every use, flush the soap system with clean water to prevent buildup.